My Shein and Fashion Nova package came in, so I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So we're gonna start off with Shein. The first thing I picked up, it was one of those like flash sales. The sale will only last for 24 hours for new arrivals, and I got this cropped like faux sheep wool jacket. The color is like a purple gray plaid design. Okay, so the next three black tops are like going out type of tops. First black top is this super cropped strappy halter neck, and at the bottom of the shirt it comes with this belt design. So the next top I got is also very strappy with these like micro strap essentially. It's like a one shoulder type of top. At the very end towards the right side it has like a slip right there, just so that it creates that asymmetrical shape. So the last Shein top I got is this mesh cutout design. Onto Fashion Nova, I only got two things. The first one being is this navy blue romper. It's unclasped right now, but don't worry, I will show you a picture on the website just to make it a little bit easier, but it does have a fabric belt to cinch around your waist. It does have a stretchable waistband, but that's hidden at the back of this romper. And the last thing I got at Fashion Nova is actually a blazer set. So this is a cream eggshell blazer, and it does have shoulder pads. It's cropped and it comes with 2 buttons. And then y'all are thinking it's gonna come with business flare pants. No, I got this because it came with a tennis skirt in the same exact color as the blazer top. So the one thing that surprised me is because it didn't mention on the website, but it comes with safety shorts. Granted, it's still a bit see-through, so you could wear nude underwear and then it won't show at all because it does actually cover my butt. I'll probably still wear safety shorts. That is it for my small unboxing segment. So I'm at the mall and I'm actually doing some Christmas shopping, and the first stop we're going at is Winners. There's like so many people at the mall today. I'm quite surprised, but I guess people really are early Christmas shopping. So I found this trending body wash with a hair pack. I've never seen this. I would get it if it was in strawberry, but it's just in banana. Also found this Cosrx favorite gift set. I recently picked up this Playa hair mask and shampoo. Haven't tried the shampoo yet, but I've been loving this hair mask, and they came out with a clean hair essential minimalistic gift set. I'm so tempted to get this, but I have to shop for other people, not for myself. There's so many Innisfree products in the clearance section. I actually have this one. Good for moisturizing your dry skin in the colder months. Oh my gosh, they have the Cosrx pads, calming pad, poreless pad. They do have the Cosrx Acne Hero Kit Intensive Force Set. Comes with a calming liquid, spot cream, a foam cleanser, and a lightweight moisturizer. Oh my gosh, this cookie jar is so cute. Peace, love, and purrs. Ah, how do you like decapitate him?
What did she just say?
Oh, there you go. Boop. Winner's also carrying like good sound equipment like JVC. And Skull Candy here. I also found JBL as well. What the heck? Winner's stock is so good. You can get cup noodle socks. What? And Maruchan socks as well. Hi. So I just got back home from the mall and I just want to show you guys I don't know, I feel like it's underrated, but maybe I could be wrong, but it's called the Danish pastry house. And my favorite thing to get from there, which I do not have unfortunately, is the cinnamon bread loaf. Yeah, imagine a cinnamon roll but make it bread loaf. It's the best thing ever. So here's the packaging, and I got Viking slices. So I bought these for my parents to try again because like I'm pretty sure they liked it the first time. So inside it also has a thin layer of custard. So if you don't have a sweet tooth but you still crave chocolate and custard and obviously fluffy pastries, this is the place you should go to. So I don't know if they do the same promotion in their actual store versus this location was actually in a mall at Mapleview, and they were doing a promotion where the last hour before the mall closes, it's 50% off on most items. Usually it's the top 2 shelves and the bread section. So that's why I was so sad that the cinnamon loaf bread wasn't there. But anyways, I think regular prices for the Viking slice is maybe $3.50 or $3.90. So I have small hands, so look at this. That's huge. A Viking would be satisfied. Granted, it's called a Viking slice for a reason. This is so pretty. This is my color aesthetic. Whoa, black, pink in your area. Holy, why is there so many skincare on stock? What? They have Glossier Priming Moisturizing Balance. I've never seen Mega Mushroom in a skincare product. So the only thing we're gonna get at Winners is this Cosrx Cica Creamy Foam Cleanser. And it's for my little brother. Right now we're walking towards Best Buy because we didn't realize Best Buy closes first and then the mall. We're gonna skirt all the way over there. To Best Buy! Okay, we're gonna figure this out if this is the right one. Yep, 25,600 DPI. Yep. That's it. Alrighty, we found it. This is so freaking bright. We have JJK figurines and then Demon Slayer. And then all the way up there we got Boa from One Piece and Nami. They have more figurines. Lots of Nendoroids. Ah, they're so cute. I love them. Okay guys, we're going through the nether portal. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. I want these penguin pajama bottoms so badly, but they don't have my size, I don't think. I think it's the only pair. No. My penguin. At H&M now, and I think I'm gonna go for this gray pullover top and this navy blue long sweater as well. It says City to Life, Move with Style, Authentic Lifestyle. I don't know, I just find that really cute. That's a lot of Ferreros. Hi, so we're now unboxing the Logitech G502 gaming mouse. This is new to me, but apparently gaming mouses have weights. It looks like a trainer gym badge from Pokemon, no? It's pretty cool. If you want some strong wrist, I guess you can work out while gaming. So that's what it looks like with all the weights on the mouse. I can feel a difference, but I still don't understand why you need a heavy mouse. I'm going to try on those 2 H&M shirts that I got, and hopefully I don't have to return them. Oh my gosh! I was in such desperate need to get some basic pullover sweaters and things like that that aren't like too cropped. So this was around $30, but everything was 25% off. Plus I had a $5 coupon because I'm an H&M member. So this is the navy blue sweater that had the small wording here at the corner. Yeah. You can't go wrong with a basic like this. I'm not returning anything. Black Friday a success. So today we're going to my grandpa's house and having some hot pot, and I'm gonna give you guys an OOTD. So this top is from Eclipse, and then my pants are from Cody Book, and they're super high-waisted. I'm a nine. I'm nine. Ja, red wine.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! That's me! He put the picture frame up. Let's go! So that's all of it now. Noodles, vegetables, and then the hot pot. Fire burrito! First time! Let's go! Whoa! Oreo churros? Huh? Wing! thingies. Oh, that's fine. Oh, it's not ready yet. Oh, now it's ready. This is my quesadilla, jalapeno eclipse, and sour cream. And this will be my first time trying abalone. Let's go.
Good, see?
You made it.
You made it.
I thought it would taste more seafoody, but very, very clean. Okay. It doesn't taste like anything, to be honest.
Tastes like your mom.
We'll start the one that isn't mine. Eddie Bauer's, they were doing a 50% off. So this is what Dylan gloves.
Those are nice gloves.
Oh, really?
They smell like plastic.
Hollister white t-shirt.
Why are you so tiny?
Because it's a
She's
crop top.
tiny.
It's a crop top, like small. Oh, and then it has this. And it's for the ladies. I've never bought Aeries before. I didn't buy clothes. I bought underwear. They were having an 8 panties for $40. This is an X small, guys. But then these cute ones are also an X small. Do you see the difference? But these ones are really stretchy because it's seamless.
Whoa, you can see the light through them.
You're gonna see a butt crack. Second one, it has, what is this? Polar bears with scarves. This one, it has thin bands, yeah. Another seamless one in this color. Ooh, this one got lace. And then this one is one I go nude, like G-Idol, nude. But like I like the little stars at the band. But it's see-through. Look at that, look at all the lines.
I picked it.
Yeah, she picked it. She had the honor of picking it because I had no idea what I'm doing. It's a thong. I've never worn a thong before because like, does it really cover the butthole?
Depends on how big your cheeks are.
Yeah, but also, you were telling me that this tiny triangle is gonna capture all my discharge? No.
Wear it when you're ovulating.
Ovulating?
Yeah. That one.
That's it. 그대 걸까 뭔가 이상해.
Hello, my name is Yappy Yappy Yo.
Don't you know Baby, how do I look? How do I look? I did that. You think about me 'cause you feel so rude. You're outside the box, that's my head. Can you see? Something that exists. Oh, English! Impurity, show you my impurities. Impurity, show you my impurities.